Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick, here to take you through today's market action. It was a pretty good one. Equities rallied after the Fed confirmed what markets and investors had been expecting. Small caps rallied the most, up 1.5%. The S&P and Nasdaq each gained more than 1%. The Dow tacked on close to about 1%. We faded a little bit in the last hour of the session, but overall it was a good one. Maybe it's the Fed put, maybe it's some kind of twist on it. Maybe we're just getting some momentum building. Consumer discretionary up 2% almost. Energy up more than 1.5%. Tech in third place. All the Magnificent Seven stocks rallied. The Fed's decision to keep rates unchanged was widely expected. Central bank held on to its 3.9% median federal funds rate. However, the Fed also raised its inflation forecast and expects unemployment to tick higher to 4.4%. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said uncertainty surrounding tariff policy has some ties to inflation. He reiterated the Fed will adjust course if needed. Let's talk about some stocks. Boeing was the winner. Shares soared as the beleaguered plane maker led the S&P 500. The company's chief financial officer told investors that the first quarter was tracking in line with expectations. Boeing delivered 89 jets in January and February out of an expected 120 through March. The company hasn't posted a full-year profit since 2018, as its stock remains way below its all-time high from 2019. Tesla shares found some relief today after a bullish analyst call. Cantor Fitzgerald upgraded the stock to overweight from neutral and calls its current price attractive ahead of the company's robo-taxi launch. The firm warns investors to be, quote, comfortable with volatility in the stock for the coming months. Tell us something we don't know. Tesla stock is still down 52% from its all-time high. Tomorrow's earnings slate includes some big ones: Micron, Nike, FedEx, Darden Restaurants, and PDD Holdings in China. Keep an eye out for data on jobless claims and existing home sales. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.